कॉम्प्लेक्स में ग्लोबल फिनटेक फेस्ट की शुरुआत हो गई है और इस 3 दिनों के इस फेस्ट में सिंगापुर, ब्रिटेन, फ्रांस के तमाम कंपनियां, तमाम निवेशक भाग ले रहे हैं। करीब करीब 500 इन्वेस्टर्स हैं और 400 एग्जिबिटर्स हैं। वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण का संबोधन चल रहा है, आइए सीधे आपको सुनाते हैं।
To save, invest, borrow and ensure themselves with dignity and transparency. India's journey in innovation and adoption with respect to new financial technologies is a story of unprecedented transformation. The scale of this transformation can be best understood through the numbers that define it. In a span of a single decade, we have connected a population equivalent to that of the entire European Union to the formal banking system, opening over 56 crore Jan Dhan bank accounts. India is now ranked third in the world for the number of fintech companies and also leads in digital payment volumes, having processed over 18,580 crore UPI transactions worth 261 lakh crore rupees in 2024-25. Nearly half of the world's real-time digital transactions happen in India with adoption rates of 87% compared to the global average of 67%. Government of India has leveraged digitization by introducing direct benefit transfers as a system for all its social welfare schemes, which has significantly actually boosted the welfare efficiency by reducing subsidies and leakages. It has resulted in a savings, which is worth mentioning to this August gathering. The savings is 4.31 lakh crores of Indian rupees. And between 2014 and 24, this is the saving of 4.31 lakh crores because of DBT being adopted completely by the Government of India, 16-fold rise in beneficiary coverage. So not just your saving, but actually you've reached a larger number of beneficiaries. Technology has facilitated it for us. So a shift from paper-based disbursals to direct digital transfer has ensured that public funds reach the people that they are meant for and not for ghost entities. So the DBT model presents a valuable lesson, and as the first spark, I would say, it can also absorb a lot more better technologies, better innovations, better ways of handling technology and so on. You have a world out there for you all to be innovative, even about improving the DBT's efficiencies. So the contributions of startups, engineers, entrepreneurs, investors in this have been immense. So the Government of India's policy has actually to play its role in nurturing the growth and innovation of fintech sector through a balanced approach, balanced mix of policy support, digital public infrastructure, and forward-looking regulation has actually shown the results. I'll list, instead of getting into the details, Aadhaar, UPI, Account Aggregator Framework, DigiLocker, all of them have really decisively changed the contours of how public finance is handled for the betterment of the citizen. India has actually stepped decisively into the global AI arena with the launch of the $1.3 billion India AI mission. It is a comprehensive strategy spanning the entire AI value chain. And that is the reason I first of all wanted to say that amount not in rupees but in US dollars. Commissioning of 34,000 GPUs at concessional rates to spur innovation across startup ecosystem, researchers and academic institutions. Launch of the AI, which is India AI Data Sets Platform, AI Kosh as it's named, incorporating 2000 plus verified and indigenous data sets, use case across sectors and sandbox environment. Supporting development of 4 foundational LLMs that cater to India context by supporting vernacular languages and are multimodal in design. Setting up 4 centers of excellence and India Future AI Skills Program to boost India's AI talent pool. So these are first lot of steps that we have taken with the AI, meaning India AI mission. Now a word about the GIFT City.
तो निर्मला सीतारमण देश के वित्त मंत्री ये बताने के लिए कि फाइनेंशियल टेक्नोलॉजीज में भारत ने क्या मुकाम हासिल किए हैं और देश की ग्रोथ स्टोरी को इससे कितनी मदद मिल रही है। चलिए आगे बढ़ेंगे, इस पर नजर हमारी बनी हुई है। इंडियन स्वदेश की जो संवाददाता हैं वहां पर इवेंट में मौजूद है और वहां से जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट जो हलचल होगी, जो ट्रिगर्स होंगे आपके लिए हम सामने लाकर जरूर रखेंगे। लेकिन आखिर में चलिए